Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. How is it going with you? Oops, if this is your first time coming across my channel, you are so welcome. Kindly support my channel by clicking on that red button to subscribe. And to you, my amazing subscribers, keep returning. You are blessed. You know I appreciate you. Okay guys, in today's video, I just want to share with you guys quickly how to make quick fruity snacks recipe. And for that, I have pineapple. I'm already cutting my pineapple as you can see. So I just want to cut into smaller chunks to the shape that I want. But you can cut yours to any shape, to any size that you want. One thing I like about this pineapple is its anti-inflammatory properties. It offers a lot of health benefits. That's why I like it. I do add it in my smoothie, in my juice, and even eat it like that. So here is the shape that I want. Here I have my cookie cutter, so I just press it down, and I'm gonna go ahead and take off the excess pineapple. I'm going for my Christmas tree, guys. So here, you just bring out the cookie cutter and you have your Christmas tree shape. Yeah, guys. Okay, let's get back to what we're doing. Here I have my kiwis. I'll just cut. Okay, I'm adding this for the color. I love the color. I'm also adding it for the taste. It's very sweet, guys. Okay, I'm going for a circular shape. I'll just cut into circle. You can cut yours, as I said before, to any shape that you want. Okay, here I have my grapes. A very, very fruity fruit. I love this fruit a lot, guys. So I'm gonna be using it, and I'm gonna be adding as well this raspberry and blueberry. So okay, this is what I'm gonna be using as the fruits base. These are snacks, as you see, and we are just gonna top it with those colorful fruits. Okay, guys, let's see how it goes. Chime me, chime me. Okay, guys, this is how it came out. This is just a quick, easy breakfast or lunch, especially when you don't want heavy stuff, you just want a light thing. This is good to go. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and see you again in the next one. Bye.